A thick patty which is soft in the middle and crisp on the outside, a soft and crumbly bun with sesame seeds stuck on the top, some mayonnaise, some cucumber, tomatoes and onion to make the most memorable burger. Hello viewers, I am Shuparna. Welcome to our channel Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please subscribe to our channel and share our videos. First, I'll prepare the patty. I took 500 gram of boneless chicken mince. Into this, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt to taste. One thing, when you add salt, make sure you are not adding less or more salt. Try to be perfect to add the salt. 2 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 3 teaspoon of chopped garlic, Okay, now time to mix. Mix all the ingredients with the minced chicken nicely. I took the boneless chicken pieces and after cleaning them well, I make the mince. This burger recipe is made in 2 parts. The first one is making the burger patties and the other one is assembly. Making this burger is really easy if you plan ahead. Now add breadcrumbs as needed. It would add texture and softness. Breadcrumbs would help the patties to hold the moisture while grilling or pan frying, leaving you with a juicy and tasty end result. Rest the mixture for some time. Now divide this meat and spice mixture in equal portion. Burger, a combination of soft buns paired with a full-filling patty, sauce and crunched vegetables. This burger is undoubtedly one of the most popular fast food items as they make for a quick and simple meal that can be eaten on the go. Give a shape to the patty. You can make them thick or thin as per your choice. Now I'd make the rest. Now time to pan frying this patty. I heat the tawa nicely, then I put the flame on low and add 2 teaspoons of white oil. Place the patty in the tawa. Fry them on medium hot oil. It would take 18 to 20 minutes to cook properly. Patty means a portion of ground meat, often round, used to make burgers. This burger may be pan fried, grilled, smoked or flame broiled. After 7 to 8 minutes, turn them to the other side. Also fry this side for 7 to 8 minutes. The patty is ready. Now heat the tawa nicely. Toast the burger buns. The buns are toasted. Now apply mayonnaise on the both slices of buns. You can apply butter before I apply the mayonnaise, but I love mayonnaise. Now put the young cabbage leaves. I didn't get the lettuce, so I am using cabbage. Now place the patty on the top of it. A slice of cheese and tomato and onion slice. There are a lot of burger chains to grab your favorite, but homemade burger is one of the delicious lip-smacking food that you can enjoy whenever you want. Cover it with another portion of the bun and the homemade chicken burger is ready. The buns are soft, crumbly, chicken patty is juicy, crunchy vegetables and cheesy bite. I love to share this recipe with you guys. That's it for today's video. I hope you all like this recipe, so hit the like button after watching and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay happy and safe. Bye.